Welcome to Greyfield Woodland. 36 acres of woodland owned by the Woodland Trust. If you like this location and you want to find out a bit more about it, I'll put the postcode and also the coordinates into the description to help you. One of the benefits of being a part-time YouTuber or content creator or whatever you want to call it is that I get to go to places that maybe I would have never have gone had I not been doing this. And so I get to go to lots of beautiful places, and it's nice to bring you along. This woodland used to be part of a big estate back in the day, and they used to mine coal here right up to 1911, which I find absolutely amazing. We're only a few miles away from Bath and a few miles away from Bristol. I don't know the area very well, but I was hoping to find some evidence of mining. But I found this instead. Just found a sign that explains it. This beautiful tree is trying his absolute best to hang on, to keep his roots in the ground. He's gripping on like that. You go, tree. I hope you hang on for a long, long time. I knew there was a waterfall here. What I was doing, I was stood up at the car park in front of the map, and I was looking at all the routes, and then I was looking to the left, looking to the right, looking everywhere, trying to find the waterfall. At one point, I even got my phone out and started trying to Google it. It turns out there's a little sign saying waterfall on the top of the map. I finally found it, but there was no way I was going to come up or down the bottom there, so I found another route and climbed high over the top. I can't get any closer than this, it's a little bit too dangerous. But luckily for you, I bought me 3 metres of pole, so you're going in. It was all a bit noisy and a bit busy down by the waterfall. There was quite a few people that turned up with their dogs. I did bring a bit of lunch with me to cook. So I thought to myself, do you know what, I'll move away from all those people and find myself a nice bench here. Look. and now it's just started raining. So I'm screwed. I'll give it a couple of minutes, see if it passes over. Flared up because I inadvertently covered up my arrows. Should be good now. On this little firebox gas stove, it does a candle setting. I'm only saying for people who don't know, and if you cover the holes up, then you just get an orange flame. If you partially cover the hole up, then you get a nice blue flame. Let's go again. The whistling you could hear then was a man calling his dog back. He's not a happy man. The dog's gone AWOL. It's a very excitable doggy. That was some more interested doggies. Did bring an egg for me lunch, but it's not going to happen now. Time's moving on, so we go for a nice coffee instead. If I can get me coffee strainer out. There we go. I like these little aluminium pods that you can buy. I got these from Aldi, and it works out a bit expensive, but on the other hand, I get super fresh coffee, and I know it's not going to get damp in any way. Coffee's lovely. Starting to get a bit busier now. The idea of today's video was to go down at the bottom of the waterfall, have a little cook up with the waterfall in the background and make it look all lovely. But that just didn't happen, did it? There was no way I was going to get anywhere close to the bottom of that waterfall. And the noise is so great, I just struggled with the sound on the camera anyway. On the upside, we found a new place and we've worked out our bearings, so that's for another video. Just before I go, I'd like to say thanks to all my new followers on Instagram. I think there's about 30 of you now. I don't really know where you've come from, but it's nice that you're there, so thank you very much. I appreciate your support. I will keep posting little bits on there so you know what I'm up to. That's all for now. Thanks for coming along on this one. I'll see you next time. Info Shed out.